Can I see the outside?
We'll go.
We go now? Oops. Broken gate.
Okay?
Yeah. I bought a new. But in Lhasa, not here. Can you help me through the way and clean up the table? It's leak.
I think we need this tomorrow as well. So I'm giving here.
It's leak.
Really?
It have a hole on it.
Maybe we can get some organic.
Yeah. Local food. Local.
Local drink? Do you try local drink?
Yeah, I did it. But I only can try a little. Not a lot. I quit after 1998.
Today, where you visit?
Nothing. Just going around the village and sleep. In the afternoon, I just get a sleep.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I don't know. I have no idea. Because the road is bad. So, and yeah, the road situation not really good. So what can I do? I don't know. Maybe stay here for a little while.
Yeah.
Several days, then go back. Tibet.
Tibet, you can go.
Yeah, I can go there. Right? It's not far.
Next time, you coming?
Yeah, October maybe after the rainy season. Rainy season not really good.
No.
In
Winter is good.
yeah, winter. It's not cold here and dry. Right? So winter maybe I come here. Go into Mustang.
So, yeah, very good destinations.
Yeah. Right now maybe the
Rainy
road.
season, so road is
Yeah,
not
crush.
How many stay in Nepal?
How many time or
No, how many days?
how many days? Maybe 10 or 20. The government allow me stay here for 30 days. So the rainy season make a lot of trouble for me. You know, I maybe go back early.
नेपाली भर्बो अरू देशमा
You Canada, USA?
I've been a lot of country. Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Japan, a lot. So I want to see Nepal. Right. Nepal is a good country. Beautiful, nice people,
Yeah.
and have a lot of ancient building, square or something, right?
Yeah.
They still reserved good, but
Rich in culture and
But-
traditions.
before the earthquake, I saw a lot of real good building
Yeah. Now it's
in
disruptions
Kathmandu. Yeah, ridge.
from
This,
landslide.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, changed a lot, but it's still good. Changed a lot. The landscape changed a lot.
Yeah.
How many volts?
Me,
Yeah.
63.
63.
Yeah. What do you think? Too old?
Very young.
Really?
Yes.
We think like 34 between 40 years. Not
You
too-
sure?
Yeah.
I feel old.
You wear like gawks,
Okay.
sunglass, and just like little bit fashionable. You are very young.
Oh, really? Thank you very much. Okay, good night. Yeah.
So tomorrow.
See ya tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Okay. 这么得累的大，这么得累。Yeah. We'll go back to the reserve house. Reserve. What? Don't worry about it. My stomach, I told you, it's not really good. So, my stomach is bad sometimes because of the surgery, twice surgery. First time in Singapore did a operation, right? But not really good. Back to China, it's broken again. And so I did it twice. Wow. That was cool. Thank you. So I have no choice. So I mean, that's a that's a, the rainy season. So
Let's go from here.
yeah.
यार उल्टो भन्ने उता जानु परेन
It's the wrong way to go.
wrong way to
I know, I understand
I
actually.
understand.
Okay, good one. Thank you.
You are signing man?
होइन माथि हो
Signing man?
Ah.
Wrong man. I'm policeman.
Okay. Good, thank you. Nice to meet you.
सुन जानु त
Bye.
Bye. See ya.
don't know. The government is not looking for them. Yeah, he said he's a policeman.
What here?
He's drunk.
What?
Do you have a room key?
Yeah. What did he say?
He said, something black.
Don't care about it.
Yeah, I don't.
Just telling me the truth.
He said where we are going.
Yeah.
So I said we are going to sleep. And
Yeah.
I don't know, and he's giving me his instruction.
What's that?
He said he's a 3-star police officer.
Yeah. So
So I don't know, kind of threatening.
what?
Kind of threatening.
Threatening?
Yeah,
For what?
for me. I don't know.
He cannot.
Yeah, that's why.
He drunk.
Yeah.
He's drunk a lot.
Oh, room key?
Yeah. I have it. I need to find the groove. How he threatened you?
I don't know what. He said that, do you know me? I'm 3-star policeman. I can keep you in jail.
That's great.
What you looking for?
The groove. Maybe.
Maybe you threw away.
No, I didn't.
Maybe on that side?
Yeah, maybe. Then why are you talking to him a lot?
No, he's not letting me to go.
Really?
Yeah.
Not that way. Last time we bought it from the store. No one can do this. Follow the law. That's why that guy threatened on me. Oh, that where it is. No, I cannot find it.
Maybe we can buy tomorrow.
But it's gonna looking soon.
Can I go and ask if they have?
No, don't need it right now. I remember I put it there. I don't know what's wrong. Get at the light. Oh, sometimes I just forget something a lot. Okay, I found it. It's okay. Found it. What?
Charger?
Yeah.
Did it?
Did it. Just go.
From key?
Yeah. Hello, morning.
Amdi kuma ya ngajula. Kuma ya.
Come on, y'all.
Yambi then you can sing it for
Yeah. Need a simple extra bag. No.
extra.
Need a bag. Put in the small one. Maybe you find something you want to buy.
Maybe my brother has, maybe I can do.
Oh,
I just need to put this one.
yeah. For tourists, wish you can go. I think immigration is always.
Okay. Yeah, I can get one. Oh, yeah, ingat ko. Can you wait a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Have sugar.
It's okay. We don't drink. 나充的没，我脏，各挣钱啊，投地钱。Yeah.
We are almost right here. Some little sun cream. Sunblock cream. You want?
No. Why need it?
What else?
काय झालं त्या?
Korang mula ka sa sagot.
근데 레사를 좀 하지. 디싱인데. 다 저기. 딱 해야 돼. 다 좀 잘하거든. 나는 더 지나가던 야우지 떠나 다해 가다
Chicken liga.
엄마 투는 좀 따도
Shall we?
Yeah. Go.
깜찍이 포괄
It's long.
또 양사로 온다 통 쓴다 그거 왠지 동
好吧，我试试看。我去中国海关，我不相信中国海关不让过，到时候再说吧。谢谢了，非常感谢。 Maybe Geelong.
Geelong?
Geelong. Today, I can go through. I don't know. I'm not sure yet.
Where is the
Our home, talking to your parents. I just put the things back. Brought some.
I know you're going back.
Yeah. Geelong. Yeah. Take care of yourself.
You too.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah. Back. You put the empty bag in this one.
Leave this one
Yeah. Anything inside?
and jacket. Oh. I'll do it. Okay now.
中国海关，今天车可能过不去，微微。到明天。明天开车，明天过不去。
मोटा माताङमा अछि ले
Ui,
Ini ngalah kan aja mama, ngara yang beli Hey, itu primo besi loh.
मैले यो प्रब्लम आउँछ चौंको
छैन नि भइसक्यो भने
आई वर्ष नि रुम के एकदम
आई वर्ष उदे लाग्यो
अनि यहाँ नि सब दिउँदा त्यसको
What's that?
ए निमो नि
अब दिइ राखे सुन त गएन तपाईहरु को छ बारे राख्नु सिका आउ खेस्नु अनि एउटा आसन ग्रिन रुपलाई दिनु अनि आइहाल्दै दिनु
Not for sale outside Nepal.
आई दवा आई काट्नु आई सेमा गर्नु अनि आई सिलिने तपाईहरुसँग बस्नु
अब नयाँ हो
अनि यो एउटा आसन ग्रिनलाई दिनु अनि दिछि आई पेमा
方便面呢？
आई काट्नु आई दवा
Ai kamu, ai dawa. Dah mampu deh.
म त हिजो मात्र आएको हिजो
यहाँ त गए त रोए
यहाँ कतिले राख्छ कुन चाहिँ
यहाँ त लागेको त चामल पुरा हेर्छ यो चामल कसको हो
होला धान खानु नि
चामल कसको हो
कसको हो त
आई काट्नु आई दवा अनि सुयो के आई या तपाईहरु बारेर खानु
सानो नि पुले तोरो
आई राम त उतिर
तर ए यहाँ त तोरो खाना लरम यहाँ त दिन्छ
कसले राख्यो यहाँ
म त जाइदैन यो
उहाँको पनि हेरिरहेको थियो यहाँ तल राखेको थियो You told me that now Shanghai is not beautiful. Why?
I said Shanghai busy, not for good for living. House is really expensive.
Like a Kathmandu.
No.
No.
New York.
New York.
Yeah.
The world most expensive.
Everybody busy.
But New York is old.
Oh, yeah.
Shanghai is new.
New. So
Yeah.
most expensive city in the world is Paris. You know Paris?
Paris. Yeah, I
it's
know
the most
that.
expensive.
But Paris is not safe. China, Shanghai is really safe. You can go anywhere, anytime, go anywhere.
Beijing is the most polluted city.
What?
Pollution, air pollution.
Where?
It's a Beijing.
No. Right now, not.
No.
It's clean. Air clean.
2-3 years.
Before 5 years, yes.
Many people in Nepal, they are calling that Beijing is the most polluted city.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The air, a lot of car.
A lot of industries.
Yes. No. Not in the industry. Because Beijing close to outside, in Mongolia. You know that? They have lots of desert. If you get a wind from north, it's gonna dusty. You know that? It's not like here, have a lot of trees. They're just desert. Close to Mongolia, yeah. It's spring and fall. Spring and fall. It's gonna really
Beijing is like a
capital
what kind
city.
of weather is there now?
Right now,
Yeah.
it's very hot.
Hot.
Yeah.
Like this?
Much more than this.
More than this.
Yes. Sweaty. Cannot wear that kind of.
In the winter,
Winter cold.
cold.
Yeah.
Too much.
It's 0.5 or something. -5. Minus 15.
15.
Something. It's cold. How about here? Winter is okay, right?
Yeah, it's okay. The weather condition in my village is very good.
Yeah.
Kathmandu, the Pokhara.
China is really big. For Shanghai to here, 5,000 kilometers.
You know that China is 30 times bigger than Nepal.
I don't know. More than that, I think.
More than that. I think 130 maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Third biggest country in the world.
What?
Third.
Tall.
Third. First,
1, 2,
sun.
3.
Sun.
Third biggest city.
Third.
Third is
Third biggest.
Biggest
Yeah.
country.
biggest. Number 1 is Russia.
Yes, right.
Number 2 is Canada.
Yes, right.
Canada.
Yeah.
And third is China.
Yeah, right.
Most population is China.
No, India.
No, China.
You check the internet.
Right now is India.
Yes, right. China, the population just go drop down. You know, the young men don't want a kid, so you cannot imagine.
Young age.
Time is yours.
Time is
Time is yours.
very expensive. You know, time is very expensive.
Yeah, you can earn it.
If you understand the meaning of time, then you will be rich. होइन समयको परिस्थिति बुझ्यो भने
Take it easy.
yeah, easy.
Just walking around it.
Live like eat like a king and
Do like.
work like a के भन्छ रे labor.
You mean to say that when we eat food, eat like a king.
King,
Price
you know,
of
king.
food, and work like a labor. You know, do hard work that
Yeah,
labor does.
yeah.
It means to say that
Sometimes you need it using your mind better than
hard work.
Hard work.
Yeah.
you will find the way to earn money. That's a
Hard work and the smart work. You know, there is a two types of work.
yeah, right.
Well,
Standard room. Yeah.
एउटा रुममा दुईवटा बेड छ भने त ट्विन बेड
आज त कस्तो नेट त्यो यहाँ त
एकदम स्लो छ साउली हेजिबलको बियर खान्छ धेरै सुतेछ त्यसै रुम हेर्न आउनु त
양보도시. 내 생일도 뭐.谢谢。
这些么都。
And I love gardening.
Sometimes I do, but not always. It's really tired, you know that?
I planted some few plants in my room in a pot, like decorated them with painting.
Yeah.
Write some name of my father.
Brother,
Yeah.
which one you like? Second floor, third floor?
Second, lower level is the best.
Okay, second floor, one sir.
Can we?
Okay. He's owner.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh,
He's from Lhasa.
really?
Yeah.
Tibet?
Yes.
Looks nice. More like a.
하트 개미 쉬어야겠네.
I did it. 我登记完了。Yeah, last one. 可以吗？可以了啊。还有身份证吗？要刷吗？不用刷。Okay. Then pay the money. Okay. Chinese yuan? Chinese yuan? Okay, I still leave some. I still have some. Anything else?
Shall we go and put our back?
Yeah. Can we? Thank you. 투지 체. 各种钱的。Oh yeah. And yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, thank you.
谢谢明德啊。
谢谢们多啊。你把内服。
네팔 food 제가 다다. 야.
Have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
This is also my friend's restaurant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's.
Okay. That's nice.
You drink some coffee like tea?
Masala tea.
Masala tea, okay. Nepali masala, black tea, right? Black tea,
Yeah, sure.
not milk, right? Masala tea, right?
Masala tea, right?
Some food. Nepali food.
Yeah, Nepali food. What can we do?
JJ, you want to drink mustard in milk?
Black, right?
Milk. We'll put some milk in it. Which one you want it?
Which one you want? Maybe
You and Nepali telling me which one's better.
पुरा सजिन्छ छिसा
That one?
कुन चाहिँ मेरो चाहिँ मिठो सबै होला अब सबै खाना चिकनमा
यो खाना छ तर छिट्टो हुन्छ यो चाहिँ अहिले भर्खर गेस्टले खाएर गयो
खानामा त हामी You want to try this one?
Yeah.
नेपाली खाना
Traditional.
Yeah. Kalifan, that's okay.
You want to try this one, right?
Let's try one. Try one, and we can try. What's that? Chicken, right?
Chicken chili.
Chiro.
Chili, chicken chili.
Chicken chili.
Chicken
The one
chili.
we tried in
Then noodles. Which one is good? This one? This one.
Chicken gravy. Gravy.
Okay. Then we have chicken, right? Then noodles.
这个有没有？
Yo,
지금.
three.
这个
How about this one?
这个是 chicken 尼泊尔饺子。
Can we try some? This soup. Four.
这
Yeah.
个咖喱饭一个两个，
一个，
这个一个嘛，这个
一
个。
个，全部一个。
OK。
We share.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
大板子，没得别的。谢明多。这个你看，我的
Coke.
Coke 啊，Nepali Coke。
Nepali Coke. Can we?
No, sure.
Yeah.
Lemon Fender, yeah, sorry, dew, sir.
Spread.
Unspread.
करोडौँमा तपाईँ
रसो म त तिम्रो हो दाइ
कहाँ कता घुमेर नि
हामी काठमाडौँ घुमेर आएको
Where you came from? Which part?
काठमाडौँ
हजुर तपाईँ चाहिँ कहाँको
म गोल्जनको
हो यहाँ होइन त गोल्जनको त गोल्जनको
यस्तो छैन
छ तर मलाई
चिन्छ होला नि त्यहाँ त
गोल्जनको मान्छे दाइ यस्तो दारी छैन क्या धेरै
हो
हो हस् थ्याङ्क यू
Ah, that's all it.
He's from the northern part of Nepal.
Really?
It's really far from here.
Okay.
Gorkha,
West?
Yeah.
Northwest?
northwest. But it's a very
Beautiful.
beautiful. They have one palace, royal palace, king, the one who united all in Nepal.
Uh-huh.
Several years ago, or many years ago, Nepal used to have many kingdoms.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
So the king of his place united all the small kingdom in one.
Yeah.
That's why here that king has a sign of this one. Sign of this. This means one Nepali. We all are one. So he united all the nation into one, and that's how Nepal did it.
Okay.
He's a very popular king. We call it Prithvi Narayan Shah. Prithvi Narayan Shah.
Okay.
Chicken is called nipu in Chinese.
鸡肉
Chiro.
鸡
Chiro.
Yeah, maybe we next time we need to visit.
भाइ गोर्खामा गाडी जान्छ त
गोर्खामा
हजुर तपाईँको ठाउँमा सबै जान्छ
गोर्खाको दरबारतिर घुमाइदेऊ न
अब नेक्स्ट पनि जान्छ
दरबार स्क्वायर हुन्छ होइन सो ब्युटिफुल प्लेस
Really?
कहानी त मैले भनिसकेँ नि
Oh, okay.
In Tibet, I guess we have a chair like this, right?
Yeah. 卡店
Carpet. We call it din.
Ding.
Din, yeah, in our local language, din.
Okay.
Tea. We call it tea.
Yeah.
Carpet chair.
When you're tasting it, share with it. That's a different taste. So that's good.
Is it expensive?
What do you mean? So, not really expensive, you know. Medium. That's not really expensive. Depending on what kind of hotel they are. If they're good, that's a little bit expensive. So your mom clean up the floor. And your daddy. Which one?
人这一生会遇见很多不同的人，有的人成了朋友，有的人成了过客，有的人陪你一生，有的人只陪你一程。不管是并肩前行，
Can you send me this pic?
You don't have it?
就是缘分，相处过就是福分。
Really? Yeah, you have it. I sent it to you.
人这一生会遇见很多不同的人。
Yeah, sure. Have you? Do you have this one? You don't have it. Oh. Okay, I'll send it to you.
Dirty Nano。
最后一天在尼泊尔，因为季节的原因，很多地方去不了，准备回中国。I already sent it to you.
Okay, thank you.
I just shot video in here. How to eat it?
Mix everything.
Mix everything.
This one is dal, this one is chicken. You can mix later with it.
What do you mean?
You can put this one here with it and this one over here like this and mix gradually and eat.
Okay. Nepali food. Mix everything. Is that a good?
Yeah.
What's that? Garlic. Garlic. No. Ah. Okay, thank you.我们开始。
कस्तो पनि छ नि त त्यो सबै चाइनिज डिपोले गर्दा नेपाली खानाहरू बनाउँदैन यहाँ चाहिँ हामी नेपाली खोलेको चाइनिज खानु म यहाँ 4 वर्ष बसेँ त्यो माथि नमस्ते हुँदैन हो त्यहाँ हेर्छ गरेको अनि खाना चाहिँ मिठो छ त जुनै आएछ नि त यहाँ धेरै सस्तो पनि छ नि खाना चाहिँ मिठो छ यो खाना चाहिँ यहाँ 35 दिन्छ ओ सही त्यो 35 दिन्छ माथि त 45 दिन्छ 40 दिन्छ एक दिन बसेँ नि त्यहाँ मैले 4 वर्ष गरेर मैले Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I carry this one?
Yeah, if you want.
Are you going back to room?
What can we do?
Or maybe see something and take care some fish.
Okay, but you need to carry that.
I'll keep the, maybe you can take picture.
Okay.
I'll the rest go. I know we had a chola in our
谢谢，谢谢木豆。
谢谢都。
Oh, they have snapping turtle, snapping turtle. Dead? We're going around the tell them yes. What?
Omolangma means Mount Everest, right?
Zumulama.
Omolangma.
Omolama. Which one? Which one Omolama? Yeah. Natural reserve area.
Omolangma.
Yeah. Q. Jumulama.
Q.
Right?
Is that Q or O?
Q. They have a...
This was the
No, I don't think so. Tourist bus. Maybe, I don't know. Just can ask them.去拉萨吗？不是。Tourist bus. Maybe they came from Bhutan.
yeah.
Bhutan. 가더래 좋지나. Can go see it. 어디?
Yeah.
Have a lot of water. But the water not clean. Up there, they built something. Charging the battery there. This car is okay, right? You can sleep in over there. The big one. Sleeping and yeah, but too big for me. Somewhere not in Nepal. Somewhere you cannot go, maybe. Right? Somewhere over the rainbow. Nepali. Mando. Go, go, go. Go around it. Not stop here. Hello.
Hello.
Going to Lhasa? Huh.
Lhasa.
Okay. Buddha Mare.
Yagar.
Oh. Hello, I get it. That's a big, complicated. That's a need to wait because they say that's Sunday. Sunday, right? Yeah, so they really. Yeah, right. They get it really late, right? Okay, we can go. But how about your singing?
Singing, yeah.
When?
Today.
今天什么时候？
今天啊，
有时候难。
12点。
12点。现在几点？What time is it?
尼泊尔12点的。
12点嘞，现在。尼泊尔12点，还有2个小时。Are you hungry? No. You are the genius.
He's genius.
I don't feel like doing anything.
So,
But maybe your stomach has some
what
problem.
are you doing now?
I don't know. We get some food to eat. Can we? Yeah, we can go get some food to eat.
Okay. You want some meat?
Yeah, go. Which one?
Is it Nepali
food?
Nepali food or Chinese?
Nepali food is okay.
Nepali food, okay?
Yeah. Can we go?
So, also.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Maybe we need to parking the car there and yeah. What? What do you want to eat? Hello. Hello. Where's your brother? That one? different to yesterday.
I think it's rice, plain rice with chicken curry, plain rice with beef, pork, mixed.
Which one you want?
So, good Hello.
JJ.
So, when you are going there? Geelong.
I don't know when.
After his recording, son.
Yeah.
이렇게랑 루디 record video.
But you need it.
Yeah, I have a guitar.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's good.
That you plain rice with chicken or so it's other? It's all available.
Plain rice छ अनि chicken curry with rice. Is it vegetable हो यो
Breakfast you want to try this one, right?
Yeah.
यो मासु चाहिँ यो चाहिँ vegetable खाने
Which one?
chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Jiro.
Yeah, I understand about English. You just telling me which one is better.
Yeah, English.
Yeah.
So what do you want?
Maybe this one. It's okay.
Mixed vegetable.
Okay, chicken.
Chicken. Plain rice with chicken मतलब breakfast हुन्छ. आलु पराठा र
आलु पराठा टाइम लाग्छ
हो और के स्पिड हुन्छ
एकदम फास्ट के हुन्छ त?
फर्स्ट
हाम्रो त्यो रोटी
प्लेन रोटी
र
अनि के तरकारी
आलु दम जस्तो हो
आलु दम जस्तो छैन बरु तरकारी चाहिँ छ यो भेज तरकारी चाहिँ छ यो चिकन करी विथ राइस चिकन करी हो त्यो चाहिँ
चिकन करी मात्रै मिल्छ
मिल्छ
चिकन करी मतलब
अनि उसलाई चाहिँ राइस
चिकन any drinks
Coke.
early in the morning coke
Huh?
रात भइसक्यो एउटा कोक
Cold because of the cold, right?
एउटा कोक अनि यस्तो अर्को केही छ
अरू त यस्तो
ग्यास नभएको
ग्यास न यो फ्रुटी चाहिँ छ
How about you? What do you want? What drink you want?
I don't drink.
You need a smooth throat. You don't drink?
I don't drink
Cold one.
फ्रुटी कि कोक
Okay. How about you?
Sprite.
Okay. It's a little bit complicated for a car.
Have you any hot? You have. Thank you.
Little louder.
Huh? So I have to sing loud.
Yeah. Because I have 3 channel on it.
Okay.
Basically 3 channel.
Oh, okay.
就是